Now let's have a look at the process for the reviewer, which would be here in the third part. After the author has written the article and submitted it to the peer review system, the editor will assign a certain number of reviewers, and these reviewers will then get an email from the system that there is something for them to review, which will be visible here. They get a link which will lead them to an article, to the article overview here, to that specific article. This article is only visible once they have been assigned by the editor to be the reviewer. All other people do not have access to the article. They can now preview, so this is not a direct link, but preview the article and come to this side, which is the front end, and then they will be able to download here a PDF, which is very nice to for printing it out, and so that's easier to review it, to make your comments around it. Once that is done, they go back to here, the article overview, click on the article itself, and then they will be able to give here on the bottom the reviews, which is a recommendation, approve a revision, which is not that relevant for our purposes. But more importantly, to comment here, and this should be a relatively long, detailed overview of the methods applied and the internal logic of the whole article. So this is the review, essentially the comments. And once they are submitted, the review is essentially submitted here, and the editor will get an email and will then be able to forward these comments here anonymously to the authors. And that completes the whole cycle, where the editor here can forward it. I have not been talking about the views for the editor too much, because there will be normally only 1 or 2 people who are doing that, and this is very straightforward as well. But a lot of people will be writing articles or reviewing other people's articles, so you should be comfortable with going here to the overview to get here the preview in order to get the PDF, and as well to give your comments.